Hello and welcome to JXJ Aviation. In this video, we will be looking at how the air conditioning system functions in an aircraft and what is an air cycle machine. First, let's see why is an air conditioning system required in an aircraft. The air conditioning system provides cool air constantly inside the cabin and in the cockpit. This is essential when the aircraft is on ground and the outside air temperature is very high, or if the aircraft is in flight where the outside air temperatures are very low. The air conditioning system improves passenger comfort and assists in maintaining the cabin pressure. How does the air conditioning system function? The air for the air conditioning system is taken from the auxiliary power unit APU or the engines. When the engines are running, bleed air is taken from the compressor section of the engine. The airflow is controlled by a control valve. This air will be too hot for the system to handle, so it is sent through a primary heat exchanger. This is an air-to-air heat exchanger where cold air is taken from the engine's inlet section. This air is then sent to an air cycle machine. This air cycle machine is mainly responsible in providing cold, conditioned air to the aircraft. The air cycle machine consists of a compressor and a turbine connected to a single shaft. The air initially enters the compressor section. The compressor increases the pressure of the incoming air, but along with the pressure, the temperature of the air will also increase. So the air is passed through another heat exchanger called the main heat exchanger. This is also an air-to-air heat exchanger which uses the cold outside air called as ram air. This air is taken into the aircraft by a ram air inlet, passes over the main heat exchanger and gets discharged overboard. The air then enters the turbine section of the air cycle machine. Here, the air gets expanded, which means the pressure of the air reduces, and with it, the temperature reduces further. This is the cold conditioned air, which is sent into the aircraft cabin and the cockpit. Before entering the aircraft, the water molecules in the cold air are removed by a water separator and then sent to a mixer unit. The mixer unit mixes cold air from the air cycle machine with filtered air that is taken from the aircraft. From the mixer unit, the cold, conditioned air is distributed inside the aircraft. This is the air conditioning system in an aircraft. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe and you can continue watching some of my other videos as well.